RJ45 industrial line connectors, jacks and patch cables are characterized by superior performance levels surpassing those defined by the standard. All-round shielding guarantees optimum EMC properties at transmission speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. The optimally coordinated system between the connector and jack ensures a secure hold and permanently reliable contacting in applications with increased shock and vibration resistance requirements. The one-piece connector with IDC connection enables easy assembly without special tools. Designed for use under harsh conditions, protected versions in plastic or metal housing ensure secure and reliable connections. Make the most of the various options offered by the RJ45 standard line for applications in the control cabinet or in building cabling.
Thank you.